Welcome to Math Beyond Borders. Mathematics Simplified. Welcome geniuses. In today's video, let's see how we can multiply any number by 11 very easily and no matter the length of the number. I'm going to show you that in a very easy way. So let's head on. So if you have to multiply any number by 11, let's write the number that has to be multiplied. So let's say the number is 12. You will write 1, you will write 2, and you will write 2 plus 1, 132. That will be your answer. Now remember, one thing that we will learn here is that when you multiply any number with 11, usually, I will not say 100% of the times but usually the number that you multiply with 11 increases in the count. So for example, if there were two numbers, at the end it will be, your final result will have 3. If you have 3, the final result will have 4. Yeah, I mean, it's logical in mathematical sense, but let's have a look at another number, right? So the number is 2, 4, 5, right? So write 2 and write 5. Now 2 plus 4 is 6 and 4 plus 5 is 9. That's your answer. 11 times 245 is 2695. Okay, so I have one more example for you, and I have chosen this example with certain care because I want to show you a special case, right? So you'll say, so as you see, 472. So we understand, let's write 472 first. 472. So the first number should be 4, the last number should be 2, 7 plus 2 should be 9, and 4 plus 7, now it should be 11, right? So there will be 1 here and 1 will be added here. So 4 plus 1 will be 5 at the end. So what our final answer will be, it will be 5192. So there was 1 extra which we carried forward to the first number and we added it here. Okay, now why we did this is it's a mathematical principle, but this is a short way to calculate any number or multiply any number by 11. So try it. So why don't you try, let's say 11 times 234. Okay, you can pause the video and try it yourself. Okay, so I think you got the right answer, but I will still try to do it for you. The first number should be 2, the last number should be 4, 3 plus 4 should be 7, and 2 plus 3 should be 5. So if you got the same number as your answer, hooray, you got it. Time to show off.
Thank you for learning with us. Please share the video with those who you think may need it. Also, if you want to request a topic, put that in the comments section. So until the next video, keep learning, keep questioning. Bye.